Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss 5 ways you can generate leads in a wholesale business. Coming right up. Lead generation is step 1 in a wholesaling business. No leads, no contracts, no income. You have to get those deals before they hit the MLS, before the seller decides to sell it with a real estate agent, to be able to get that best price for the end user or flipper. Today I'm going to give you 5 steps to generate leads so that you can utilize them to generate revenue. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Joe Homs. I have over 40 years of real estate experience as a broker, mentor, and investor. This channel is dedicated to helping new and experienced real estate investors of any age create the life they've always wanted through real estate. So make sure you subscribe so you never miss a thing. Yeah, let's talk about lead generation. Okay, 5 things: bandit signs, cold calling, direct mail, door knocking, and websites. Okay, let's talk about number 1, bandit signs. Bandit signs are just that, signs that you can either write on or professionally print out. We buy houses, we'll buy your house for cash, anything like this. Most of the time, at least the people that I employ, put them out in the middle of the night, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning, less traffic. They try to get it as high as they can on that telephone pole so that it stays a little bit longer than normal, because code enforcement will come by and take them off. Cold calling is just what it sounds like, literally getting a bunch of phone numbers and calling. Now these are specific phone numbers that we're calling. So we're calling on pre-foreclosures, we're calling on absentee owners, we're calling on divorce situations, and believe it or not, there's a list out there for everything that you can think of, and it just depends on what you pull from that list and who you want to call or target in your particular area. Direct mail, you'll see a lot of this on websites like Bigger Pockets, and direct mail really doesn't work out here in California. There's a lot of large real estate companies that do a lot of direct mail, so I don't encourage you to start out in something like that. These letters can cost anywhere from 50 cents to $1 each to send out. You send out 1,000 letters, you're lucky if you get 1 or 2 responses. So it's not really cost effective to do direct mail out here. Door knocking, it can be more successful. You're literally knocking on the door. Knock, knock, hello, hi, my name is Joe. I'm a real estate investor. Can I talk to you about buying your home for cash? Okay, as simple as that. Okay, get that cash word out there. People tend to listen to that a lot more. You're not on the phone. They're not hanging up on you. They're literally right there. They have to address you, and then learn how to work with the objections and go from there. So door knocking can be very successful. Website, so you can create a website for really anything in the world. I guess the trick or the secret formula is getting enough people to come to your website and get the information. So just simply putting a website out there is not going to make you a millionaire. You have to learn how to drive traffic to your website as well. There's many ways to create leads, so give some of these a try. Ready to get started building your real estate career and your financial future? Please make sure to subscribe, or feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm here to help.